Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and just have it ready on the side. Next on your device, we're gonna turn it off, so find the power button and then choose power off. Once the device turns off, you then want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, and the moment you start holding them, you're then gonna plug in the cable. So anyway, I'm gonna just kind of set it to the side like this. So I'm just holding my fingers over the button right now, I'm not pressing them. And I'm gonna start pressing them now, plug in. And you can see it's turning on. Once you see the Galaxy, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And there we go. It takes us to the recovery mode, and here we can get rid of the cable. It was only needed to actually enter this mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down. And power button is used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options, we have first one, Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have a Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us to download mode, as there is no bootloader. We have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data or Cache Partition, Mount System, View Lags, Run Test, and Power Off. Now anyway, I'm going to stick with the first option, which is already selected, and I will confirm it just so I can get back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.